not mostly full.
What's up, Gabe?
What's up? Police in this old van? What's going on? Fully equipped with the MDC in there? You see this one coming around, be on the lookout. It's like 87? An 87 Ford or what? Is that what this is?
I'm not older. It's a Ram.
Oh, it's a Ram? What's going on, man? What happened? You don't want to discuss it?
It's working.
River, what's up? Is this the van you guys use for stings or what? Sting operations?
I just got comfier seats all the time.
Comfier seats?
Yeah, instead of the hard plastic, it's all like the fish leather.
Oh, okay. Have you guys had this for a minute or what?
Not longer than I've been here.
Oh, okay. Just wanted to bring it out for a cruise, huh?
Gotta keep the engine working, you know?
Got it, man. So we got two bicycle police officers and one in a van. A van equipped with the little computer in there, you could see. But realistically though, how often do you guys bring the van out?
I couldn't give you a number for that,
No?
honestly.
Okay. Sketch. It's suspicious, man.
Suspicious?
This is suspicious behavior right here, dude. Dang. They have somebody back there. Someone in custody. I didn't see it put handcuffs on her. I don't know what the situation is. But when I pulled up, there's 3 officers and a big van.
Okay, perfect.
What's up, smell getter? Jeff, Woody. Have a good one, man. Dang, I don't know what that was about. It's crazy. They were talking to this lady over here.
I guess the patty.
You know what happened?
I don't.
No? Just a lady was here and they just took her?
She came and asked for a suitcase. I gave her a suitcase and then they rode up and...
Wow. That's crazy, yeah.
The two cops on the bike rolled up and started interrogating her, and then they called for backup, and then the van showed up and they just took her.
That's so crazy.
But when we need them, they're not here.
That's how it goes a lot of the
Called
time.
them before and they don't come.
Yep.
And for like, dangerously.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Like the speech.
Scary
Yeah.
things that we're not safe.
Totally. Totally. Hey, well, you guys have a good day.
Yeah, you
Thanks
too.
for talking to me.